Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Forms for surveys step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Forms website at forms.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once on the Google Forms homepage, click on the blank form option or choose a template from the template gallery. To rename your form, click on the Untitled Form text at the top and enter your desired title. Below the title, add a description of the survey to inform participants about its purpose. Click on the Untitled Questions section to add your first question. Change the default question type from multiple choice to fit your needs, such as short answer, paragraph, or checkbox. Type your question in the Untitled Question field. If relevant, add answer options by clicking on option fields beneath the question. To add additional questions, click the plus icon on the right-hand side of the form. Repeat the previous steps for each question you want to include in your survey. If a question is mandatory, toggle the required switch at the bottom of the question. To reorder questions, click and drag the 6 dots icon next to the question you wish to move. You can customize the appearance of your survey by clicking the palette icon at the top right. Select a theme color or background, and choose a font style that matches your survey's purpose. Once your questions and design are complete, click on the eye icon to preview your form. Review the form to ensure everything looks correct and functions as intended. To share your survey, click the Send button in the top right corner. Choose to send via email, link, or embed, depending on how you wish to distribute the survey. If you select the link option, you can shorten the URL for easier sharing. Copy the link and distribute it to your desired audience. After collecting responses, access them by clicking on the Responses tab at the top of the form. Here, you can view individual responses or summary data. To analyze your data more deeply, you can link the responses to a Google Sheet by clicking the green Sheets icon. Your form is now configured and ready for participants to fill out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.